Hello everyone, Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for today's tip, are you a sitting duck? So you see rings in China, Russia, and Ukraine are now using sophisticated software systems to hack thousands of small businesses. This software was originally developed by NASA. To give you an example, hacks without this software are considered at the speed of a moped, where hacks with this software would be considered the speed of a stealth fighter. There are 82,000 new malware threats a day. In 2018, breaches were 1 billion records. In 2019, the breaches were 6.6 billion records. We don't have statistics on that as of yet for this year, but we believe that it is already to that 6 billion mark. 1 in 5 businesses will be attacked. So now it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So stay tuned. In the next few days, I will be giving you some ways you can protect yourself. So click on the comments, give us a like or a thumbs up, check out our free network analysis that we're offering. Stay tuned. Have a great day.